So it is January 25th, 2025, and we are heading out for my very first ever overnight on the lake ice fishing. We got the truck packed up. Let's get outside. Alright, we are here at the lake and we're just gonna get set up somewhere around here, I think. Set the tent up, get everything going. We'll do a camp out here. Try and do a fish fry for you. I brought some steak just in case. Definitely not in any survival situation. Gonna have a heater. We got the insulated ice fishing tent, beds, sleeping bag. So let's get all that set up and try and catch a fish for supper. So here's the setup from outside. Got her all set up there in the wind. One more peg to screw in, but for now, here's the setup. We got the bed, tables, cookware, food, and we're about to start drilling some holes. I figure we'll put 2 in here, I think, and then maybe 1 outside. We got it all set up now. Let's do some fishing. All right, welcome to the ice shack, everyone. It's about 2:30. Finally got everything set up. Just relaxing, doing a little bit of jigging. Hopefully we catch some perch. Be nice to do a fish fry for some dinner. If not, I got a nice steak and just sit and relax. Otherwise, we'll just sit and pray for some fish. I got one tip up over there in the corner. It's got a real small lucky spoon on it with a mealworm and a little piece of shrimp. And then on this one I got just a little tiny perch rig with a little piece of shrimp. I'll see how that goes, and if nothing, then I'll change over to probably some maggots. See how that goes. So just for a final attempt here before the sun really goes down and it starts getting dark out. As you can see, it's already down behind those trees there. I moved a little closer to shore. So you see that little speck there, that's where I'm fishing now. So just to try to, you know, get some over here. After the sun starts going down, I'll do a little more fishing in the shack there. But as for right now, I haven't even got a bite yet, so wish me luck. Got a hole here, and I lost my bait, so hopefully something took it. I got a tip up there. I just drilled one over there. Starting to get dark. Sun's definitely down. We maybe got half an hour left of all daylight here. I've not gotten a nibble, so I'm gonna clean everything up from over here by the shoreline where I had everything set up, and then move back into the tent. Start getting some supper going right away. Got a nice little steak fry, but I forgot my potatoes. Some guys way over there in the distance. You can maybe see the truck. They just took their tent down. They'll be heading out. And they got these guys over here. They got a little shack with a wood burner in it, pulling it with a side-by-side, and they're the only ones left out here besides me. So soon I'll be out here all alone, spending the night. That's what I've always wanted to do, so we're gonna do it. You can kind of see I'm gonna fry up some steak, some beans. Like I said, I forgot my potatoes, but we got eggs too. We could probably do up some steak and eggs for supper. We are opening up a can of beans here. All I have is a knife. I don't know if you've ever done this before, but this is doable. Sure dulls the hell out of your knife. Be super careful because we're sitting out here on a lake by ourselves. We don't want to cut ourselves here. We got our steak seasoned up. Someone driving by. They probably caught nothing as well. I thought I had my metal fork. All I have is a stupid plastic spork, and I am having steak and eggs, so that's gonna be fun. We'll see how that goes. And shrimp. So that's supper. Steak, beans, eggs. We got a shrimp ring over here. Oh yeah. Well, we didn't catch any fish, but we got steak.
Onions, we love onions on this channel. Greens underneath there, tomatoes, Asiago artichoke dip. This stuff is bomb. Smear that all over. A little bit of Tabasco, and of course, last but not least, a little bit of maple syrup. You actually thought I was gonna put this on there? You're silly. Just the one. Hey. Those look good. Much actually.
We're now seeing the Teshigami mountain range coming in the background over there too. So we'll be actually Lake Padilla, and then we turn down Lake Padilla. Just incredible how this river changes kilometer after kilometer and delivering impressive scenery.
And I'm watching Xander watching explore the backcountry. Good morning. I slept okay. Took a while to fall asleep, and as soon as I woke up, I started getting everything situated. I refilled the diesel heater with diesel, and then shortly after that it kicked out. So I don't know if I didn't have enough battery, but I swapped the batteries. I got it going again, and now I'm just getting breakfast going. Some bacon on the go, and I am about to get the coffee on. I need a coffee. Ooh, bacon and coffee. Way out on the ice this morning, there's a coyote eating something. So my guess is it got a deer down or something. It's right in the middle of the lake, probably 200 yards from where I'm sitting. So it's tough to see, but you can see in the binoculars a coyote eating something, and then the birds are swooping in to get it. So that's kind of interesting. We got the AeroPress, got our pre-ground coffee, jigging our rod. So we're gonna go ahead and make some coffee. Get the eggs cracking. Oh no, that's nice. That's real nice. Okay, so we're only having 2 eggs this morning, I guess. The rest of the beans from last night, because bacon and beans and eggs. I'm just throwing a few of my shrimp in the mix with some bacon, eggs, beans, and some fried shrimp. It's not a bad morning breakfast. We go from cooking breakfast to jigging, but we don't ever catch nothing. Well, there you have it, folks. Here we are, we're back at home. You thought this was gonna be an ice fishing show where I went out, I set up everything, I caught a whole bunch of fish, I had a nice big fish fry for you. Unfortunately, that did not happen. I didn't even get a bite. But anyways, I had a great time out on the lake. Finally did an overnight on the lake. I've always wanted to do that. Solo camping trip in the snow. It was a great time, other than the fact that there was no fish to be caught. But anyways, there will be more to come on the show. I am going to be doing more overnights on the lake, so hopefully we find a better spot and catch some fish. And I'm going to be doing an overnight out in the woods, just doing a camp out by the pond probably. I also have to go out to the abandoned farmhouse and do a camp out there. So lots more to come still this winter. We're just in the end of January, so rolling into February, we're gonna get some really crappy weather. So hopefully that settles down sooner than later, and we can get back out and get you guys some more excellent footage. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. If you want to watch another one, click up on the right side. If you want to watch a different one, click over on the left, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.